see what this thing is.
All right.
What do we got?
So there was a point where Sam and I made this out of just a passion of vehicles, of moving amazing art, and this car is a moving work of art. Jeez, look at that big ass box.
We made a GT application when they weren't accepting GT applications, but we obviously made some noise because here we are.
And what happened with Ford Performance?
Well,
I got you.
we got a nice phone call from a couple of the head guys at Ford Performance and at Ford Canada saying, you know, they were impressed with the video that TJ and I made, and they were interested in giving us a car. So, when the ordering process opened up, the lottery opened up for the second round of applications for the GT, I was right there. I had all my stuff submitted day one. I called them to make sure they all got it. They told me they can't guarantee anything, but you're gonna get a car.
Right.
So, here we are. I mean, this has been 2 years in the making now, I think. It's been quite a while we've been working on this. And today we've got our ordering kit, we've got our custom color, and it's time to make some decisions. So,
all right.
Here we are. I have no idea what this thing looks like. I'm quite interested. A nice fancy Ford box, Ford Performance box, nonetheless.
Wow. That is beautiful.
Ford Performance. Thank you guys. We're ready. So, here it is. Our Ford Performance GT ordering kit.
Shout out to Ford Performance.
Quite the nice cardboard box we have here. Haven't
Right.
got inside, and I'm already kind of impressed here. So let's see what else we got.
Okay.
Something special
Got that
in here.
foam. Got that special Ford foam.
That memory foam.
Yo, this actually feels really
memory
nice.
foam.
Look, let me get a handprint in there.
That takes some
That's
work.
awesome. Yo, this actually feels so nice.
That's nice.
Damn.
I'm impressed.
Yeah. I have to keep that foam.
Is that gonna be my seat? Because that'd be nice.
Yo, that's actually really dope. We should use that something.
GT premium offerings. GT premium owner's replica model. So, I mean,
1/8 scale.
I don't know how much they're gonna charge us for that, but we're definitely gonna need that.
Pretty awesome.
Definitely gonna need that. Ooh, I might take, a little Ford racing gear.
What? Yo, they even got the GT shoes, bro.
I would not.
You know-
and the bag for it all to go in.
I was gonna say this is like a box of sneakers. Like I was gonna say, yo, this is the most
Right?
epic box of sneakers. And then it turns out they actually can get shoes.
That's wicked.
Dude, I love those racing shoes.
And the official Ford GT watch, in case you need to know what time it is. The owner's edition chronograph.
Wow.
Official watch for your Ford GT.
So badass.
If the car wasn't enough, now you can match it to your wrists, and your head, and your feet, and your chest, and your hands.
Wait, that's the Ford racing suit.
That's Ford racing suit.
Wow.
Yeah, the full kit.
Wow.
Helmet, shoes, suit, bag, gloves. In
Badass.
your color matched option. If you have your orange interior or your Alcantara options, it gives you a bag in the same interior color option.
That's incredible.
And then obviously your model, which is a must-have. I mean, if you're gonna, why would you not get the model?
Yeah.
Come on.
All our Hot Wheels dreams are coming true.
Yeah, right? Like, come on. I've had a model of this thing since 2003 or something.
Yeah, man.
But,
I still got my model sitting from a couple years ago
yeah.
in the room.
Yeah, absolutely.
It's our good luck token.
I got mine signed by Bill Ford.
Ooh, okay.
Yeah.
I see you, dog.
That
Okay.
came with this one.
Very epic. Very
Came with
epic.
This one.
All right, man.
All right, here we are. We're gonna get to it. Oh, that's got some weight to it.
That does have some weight to it. Right, because the box was like...
The box is made out of carbon fiber and titanium or something, I think.
Yeah.
It's made out of something cool, too. It's a cool box, not just what's in it. Carbon.
Wow.
Oh, yeah.
Wow.
Oh, yeah. Now we're talking. That's a good feel to it, too. That's a proper latch, TJ. Feel that latch.
What is that from? I've seen that before on something.
Race car?
Yeah. But I've seen it like a construction
Airplane?
thing. Yeah, maybe it was an airplane.
Yeah. That's a nice... Oh. Yeah.
Chee!
Now we're talking.
Oh man, the color is just.
Now we're talking.
Honestly, the camera's doing a good job, but there's no way of actually like knowing until you see it in person. Just incredible, the detail.
Yeah.
And the paint is so like.
That's nice.
You can just see every angle and just everything.
So this is the regular ordering kit.
Right.
Now that I'm opening it and looking at it, because we have our standard wheel options. And we're getting a carbon series, which means our wheel options are different. We have gloss carbon fiber and matte carbon fiber, which unless they're underneath, which they might be, shouldn't be so quick. Okay, we've got more options underneath.
The little rims.
We've got more options underneath. Pretty tightly packaged.
Whoa, they have a bunch of rims in there.
Yeah.
I thought it was just the 3.
Okay. This is nice. This is nice back. Okay, so there's a matte black. But that's still not the carbon. That's just a regular black. We don't have any carbon wheels at all, which means that none of these are actually a carbon series. But yeah.
So basically, we're just having fun today and figuring out what goes with what. We can imagine that the black would be a carbon, and
Well, the colors that they offer are all the same,
right.
but our carbon series will have slightly different accents. So we have carbon fiber wheels, whether they come gloss carbon fiber or matte carbon fiber is our option. We don't have the option of silver or gold or whatever. We want carbon fiber. We want lightweight race car stuff, right?
Exactly.
Yeah, which is what we want. So I'm leaning towards the shadow black with either a red stripe or a blue stripe. And I think these stripes actually
Come off, I believe.
clip on and off. So we'll take
So
that.
epic.
We'll take the blue stripe. And we'll throw the blue stripe on the shadow black. I mean, that's a good looking option right there.
Wow.
So does the blue with the white. They all look good. Honestly,
these are great colors.
I don't think you could get a bad color for this car, to be honest.
This is an amazing paint job.
It's gonna be nice. And then we have all of our interior options and stuff like that. So that would be your Heritage Edition colors with your red leather seats. Carbon. Yeah, well, a lot of your interior is carbon. Your door panels and stuff like that.
So that'll show you the exact match of what the carbon
Right.
will look like.
So that's your Heritage Edition. This is our carbon series, right?
Oh.
That's the accent stitching. If
Right.
we just want the regular Alcantara, we have the regular Alcantara. We can also get the, what was it called? The re-entry? No, it was the Dark Energy interior is what I was interested in.
Right.
Which is leather instead of the Alcantara. Right?
Oh, this is the leather.
Yeah. So those are your leather samples.
Still feels like Alcantara though.
It does. It's a little...
It's like a leathery Alcantara.
And there's your Lightspeed leather.
Wow.
Right? Your launch control is the orange. So on our
So cool.
our kit that had the bag and stuff like that, they showed the orange launch control to match your orange interior.
Right.
So your bag will match your interior colors.
So cool.
If you want.
Right.
If you want.
It's like incredible.
And then we've
So
got
soft.
the Heritage too, right? So I'm not sure we can get the Heritage because I think they did you had to apply for the specific Heritage Edition car,
Right.
because they're doing so many Heritage Editions and they're doing so many Carbon Series. So we wanted the Carbon Series from day one. They came and they asked us if we wanted to change, if we wanted to go for a different series, then we'd have to give up our spot for the Carbon Series.
Right.
I didn't want to give up my spot, so, here we are. We're gonna go for the Carbon Series. Now we gotta figure out colors, stripes, and interior. I think we'll probably go with the upgraded Dark Energy interior,
Yeah.
or maybe the Lightspeed. Now looking at it here, it's pretty nice as well. It keeps the carbon with it. They're also offering now a leather-wrapped steering wheel, as opposed to the Alcantara, which I'm thinking about. But the Alcantara wrapped wheel is,
More grip.
it feels nice, it's comfortable. Pretty sure the Alcantara for them is going to be a higher cost anyways. But, considering the optional leather, as a thought. But other than that, I think matte carbon wheels,
Right.
matte carbon lower accents and stuff like that, and the shadow black with either the red stripe and red accents, or the blue stripe and blue accents, and that's kind of where I am right now. But you know, like I said, I opened this thing up, and this silver, that's a good looking silver.
Looks pretty great.
I'm not even sure you need a stripe on it, to be honest. If you do, maybe go dark, right?
It's pretty sweet.
Silver stripe on the silver car. It's a little bit different.
Yeah.
Ghosted stripe almost with the carbon.
Pretty awesome.
Actually, our stripe's going to be different anyways, because we have the 2 carbon strips.
Oh, that's
and
right.
our stripe is actually in the center. So, again, this is different from what we're actually getting,
Right.
which is okay.
So let us know in the comments below.
Yeah, what do you guys think?
Do you like?
Like black and red, like white and blue to match our
Classic.
existing one. That's a pretty classic color. Let's take a step away from what everybody else has and get something for us.
Exactly.
Something for us. I don't know. Do we match that? Or do we go that interior wise or something like that interior wise?
Right.
Either way, you'd be okay. With carbon fiber mirrors,
Yeah,
and then
'cause-
this would give you red brake calipers as well, right? Again, unless we can pull that off.
We haven't even seen the rims yet.
Oh, you can!
Wait, what?
Oh, you can! You thought about
Wow.
it, Ford. I'll give you that. That's pretty cool.
That's awesome.
The matte wheel with a blue caliper, we got the matte wheel with a blue caliper. You want the gloss wheel with a red caliper? We got the gloss wheel with a red caliper. There you go. I think really I'd probably go matte.
That is so
Move
cool.
this over here. That's a great idea. I like that a lot. Somebody thought about that.
Love that you can like spin it too.
Yeah,
So you can take these off.
that's pretty cool.
Great.
Carbon. I like it. This is a nice ordering kit for it. I gotta say, I'm impressed.
Yeah.
I've seen them. I knew what I was getting. I knew what to expect, but it's nice. It's well made.
I know, it looks amazing. And let me just say, Sam, congrats.
I'm ready.
Because like
I'm
this,
ready. This is huge.
huge,
This is huge.
huge.
So, big things happening 2021. Been locked up for a year already. It's time to get back on the road.
Right. Exactly.
Time to get back on the road.
So Sam, let's get it popping. Let's show the world how amazing Ford design and Ford engineering is.
This is big.
And thank you especially to the CEO of Ford Performance
This is big.
for contacting us and letting us know what
Huge.
he thought about our video and the whole office for you
Yeah.
know watching it. We really appreciate it.
Yeah, we made that video, 3 years ago now? 2 years ago?
Yeah,
at
2 years ago,
least? At least. It's been a while.
And we couldn't say anything for the longest time.
Been a while.
We had to like kind of keep
Right?
it on the hush hush.
It was
you know?
it was an approval before you could get it approved.
Exactly. Stay tuned. We'll be back with some more epic videos. Whether it's Ford, whether it's whatever we're driving this week, this month, just know that we got some epic content. for you
Something
guys.
new.
Shout out to these little rims, man. I love
Matte black. Can't go wrong. A little slice of heaven.
Wow, man. Wow. Wow, that was
Fucking
awesome.
love it.
That was awesome. I forgot how powerful it is.
It's a wicked car.
Crazy.
Absolutely